Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload your Combat presentations to Google Drive. So, if you want to back up your files and share them with others, or access them from anywhere, we will guide you through quick and easy steps. Now, let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, let's say for example, we will use this project. We will move this project to your Google Drive. To do that, you just have to click Share in the upper right corner. Then click Download. Once it starts downloading, we just have to wait for it to finish. When the download is completed, we will go to your documents. As you can see, this is now our project from Canva. Next, we will log into your Google Drive. Once you are in your Google Drive, just click New on the upper left corner. Then click File Upload and Show Files. You just need to locate where your Canva project is saved. Now, here's our Canva project. Just click Open. It is now being uploaded to Google Drive. Once the upload is done, you will see your project in Google Drive. You just have to right-click on it and click Share. Let's change the general access to anyone with the link, so that we can send this to anyone we want to share it with. Copy the link and then click Done. Now you can start sending the URL link that we created to your teammates, workmates, or classmates. And that's it. Your Canva presentation is now uploaded to Google Drive and ready to access and share anytime. With this method, you can keep your files safe and organized.